Today in ICT we are going to start our new chapter of final term, that is logo calculations, chapter number 7 on page number 83. Okay, what you need to do is you need to take out your books, page number 83. Okay, I'm going to read out the things on the page and I'm going to practically perform these commands over the MSW logo screen that you can see behind this. Okay, this is MSW logo screen. Okay, can you see this? And you also can see this turtle. This is turtle, as we have learned in our previous chapter logo primitives, that MSW logo has a turtle on it. Okay, so this is a turtle. Okay, and we are going to perform some practical implementation of logo calculations over here. Okay, this is our recall list box, the commander window. I hope you all can see this. Okay, and what is it? It is our drawing window, drawing area. Okay, so please look at your books on page number 83. You can also solve math problems using logo primitives. Math problems such as those relating to addition, multiplication, division, subtraction can easily be worked out. Okay, so this line says what? That as I have told you before, that logo helps us in performing calculations as well. We can perform mathematical operations in logo as well. Okay, so this chapter is totally related to the logo calculations, and the previous chapter was just a basic of logo primitives. Okay, the previous chapter tells us that what are the basic commands of logo. Alright, and in this chapter we are going to perform some calculations through logo. Okay, so the first thing on this is the print PR command is used to display something on the screen. This command can also be used to do mathematical calculation. Let us understand how this command is used. Okay, PR command was a part of our previous chapter, that is logo primitives. ठीक है, previous command PR command हमने अपने previous chapter में पढ़ी थी कि किस लिए यूज़ होती है, कोई वर्ड या सेंटेंस प्रिंट करवाने के लिए यूज़ होती है. ठीक है, एंड अगेन इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल यूज PR command to perform calculations. Okay, addition of numbers. The plus sign is used to add numbers. We all know that if we want to add 2, 3 or 4 numbers, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to use the plus sign. Okay, for example, if you want to add 2 and 5, then type PR space numbers. Okay, what are they saying here? They are asking us that if you want to perform addition through this MSW logo screen, what we need to do is we need to type PR 2 plus 5. Okay, can you see this? I just copied the command of your book, that is PR space 2 plus 5 over here in commander window. Okay, it should print 7 over here in commander window. Okay, ये PR हमारा commander window पे output क्यों देगा हमें? क्योंकि PR is used to print the outputs over here. Okay, and if you want to print the answers over here in drawing area, we need to use label, but first according to our book we are going to use PR command. Okay, let's see what the result. See, I entered PR 2 plus 5, the output is 7. Can you see it? Okay, so through this we can perform addition of two numbers using PR command. Okay, turn your pages on 84, page number 84. Okay, what are they saying here? They are saying that you can add more than two numbers, such as PR 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, hey, over here we have added just two numbers, and if we are supposed to add three numbers, so similarly we can add three numbers over here. Okay, any three numbers. Okay, so you can see it. When I entered PR 2 plus 5 plus 6, the output generates 13. Okay, is this the correct answer? Yes, it is correct. Okay, okay, so another way of adding numbers is to use the sum function. For example, if you type PR sum 249, the result as shown in figure. Okay, what are they saying? They are saying that Logo has some built-in functions as well. What are the built-in functions? Built-in functions are those that, for example, we are using the plus sign operator over here, okay, but plus sign is also known as sum. You all must be aware of it कि हम प्लस जब कोई भी चीज़ एडिशन कर रहे होते हैं तो हम उसको एज अ सम भी, मतलब उसको सम्स भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है, कि अगर मुझे किसी आई कैन से दैट आई वांट टू sum two numbers, okay, that is equally means that I want to add two numbers, ठीक है, तो sum और plus का ऑपरेटर सेम काम करता है. तो लोगो के पास सिर्फ प्लस का साइन नहीं है, इसके पास sum का फंक्शन भी है. इफ यू वांट तो हम sum का फंक्शन भी यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. बट there is an error. It displays an error over here, okay. Why the error is displaying? Because while using sum we need to use this round bracket before sum, okay, and we are not supposed to use these, okay. जब भी हम sum करवा रहे हैं, okay, तो हम जब हम sum यूज कर रहे हैं तो we are not supposed to use this operator, क्योंकि अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि सम और प्लस दोनों का काम सेम ही होता है, ठीक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज एनी वन ऑपरेटर एट द टाइम. इफ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज सम, सो वी आर नॉट सपोज टू यूज द प्लस साइन, ओके. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम 2 space 5 space 6, okay. I am using the sum operator over here and the spaces between these digits, okay. Let's see what the output displays. Similarly 13 output, okay. We perform PR sum 2 plus 5 plus 6 over here and इसका आउटपुट भी हमारे पास 13 ही था, ठीक है. यहाँ पे I used the operator of sum and the output is 13, okay. So these two ways can be used to perform addition through MS Logo screen, okay. I hope this is pretty much clear to all of you, okay, and you can re-watch the video if you want to make it clear more, okay. So please come over page number 85, that is subtraction of numbers, alright. The minus sign is used to subtract numbers, for example PR 5 minus 3, okay. Similarly as the addition, we know that if you want to subtract two numbers we are going to use the minus sign, okay. We all are aware of it, ठीक है, कि हमें माइनस का साइन यूज करना था अगर हमें दो नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो सिमिलरली वी कैन यूज PR 5 minus 3, okay. So the output displays 2 over here. That is the correct answer, okay. So do you know, as operator plus operator sign can be replaced by sum, do you know what replaces माइनस के साइन को हम किस चीज़ से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? व्हाट डू वी कॉल द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टू नंबर्स को हम माइनस के अलावा और क्या कह सकते हैं? वी कैन कॉल इट एज डिफरेंस, ओके. जैसे यहाँ पे हम कह रहे थे इसको सम, कि ये तीन नंबर्स का सम है, ठीक है. सो इन माइनस, इन सब्ट्रैक्शन वी यूज डिफरेंस कीवर्ड, ओके, जस्ट लाइक दिस. हियर डिफरेंस, okay, can you see it? Okay, so here I use the minus sign, the output is 2. Here I use the difference keyword, here also the answer is 2. So what does it mean? That this minus sign and this difference are same in working condition. Okay. You please check out the cool tip over here. The difference function subtracts the second number from the first number. So if the first number is smaller than the second number, we will get a negative number as the answer. As we all know that sorry, हमें पता है कि जब भी हम ये टाइप करेंगे PR difference, okay, by 3, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास इसमें से ये माइनस हो रहा होता है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट नंबर से हमारा सेकंड नंबर माइनस हो रहा होता है. अगर हमारे पास फर्स्ट नंबर स्मॉलर हो और सेकंड नंबर ग्रेटर हो तब क्या होगा? आपको पता है जब छोटे नंबर से हम बड़ा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमारे पास आउटपुट नेगेटिव में आता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे वो हमें यही बता रहे हैं कि इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 3 फ्रॉम 5 सो हमें -2 मिलेगा. ठीक है, जब छोटा नंबर बड़े नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है तो हमारे पास माइनस की वैल्यू आती है, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू नहीं आती. ठीक है, सो द कूल टिप सेज दिस. ओके, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स. The asterisk sign is used to multiply numbers. For example, if you want to multiply 7 and 7, then PR 7 asterisk 7. You all must know that this star, can you see this star? This is called asterisk. It is on the keyboard at the numeric keypad number 8. 8 वाली जो की है हमारे पास उसको आप शिफ्ट के साथ प्रेस करेंगे तो आपके पास ये स्टैरिक आता है. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म करता है. ठीक है, सी PR 7 into 7 49, 7 7s are 49. Okay. Turn your pages over page number 86. Okay. What is the must know? What does must know says? Must know says that do not type alphabet X in place of asterisk sign. You must press shift and 8 key to get the sign. ठीक है, what are they saying? They are saying that PR 7 into 7. You are not supposed to type crossover here. यहाँ पे x नहीं आएगा हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए, asterisk आएगा. ठीक है, x हमारे पास लोगो डजंट नो व्हाट डज x मीन्स. ठीक है, x का उसे नहीं पता है. व्हाट डज इट नो? इट नोज ओनली PR 7 into 8. This asterisk. Logo only knows about this asterisk. X use नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, okay. So what is the replacement of asterisk? What is the replacement of multiplication? Multiplication की साइन की जगह पे हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? जैसे कि हमने एडिशन में आपने देखा था कि हमने सम यूज़ किया और सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमने डिफरेंस यूज़ किया. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम क्या इससे रिप्लेस करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस इट विद प्रोडक्ट. आई होप यू ऑल नो दिस कीवर्ड. सी, दिस इज प्रोडक्ट. ओके, product, and we are not going to use this asterisk sign now. We are using product against this. Okay. Right, product. Okay. See, PR 7 into 8 output generates as 56. PR product 7 into 8 is also equal to 56. So this is how the logo commands calculations work. Okay. We can see if you want to multiply more than two numbers, then you must write it as PR product 2 3 4. Similarly, as we have already added 3 numbers over here. Okay, we have added 3 numbers over here, right? So if we are going to multiply more than 2 numbers, what we are going to do? We are going to write 2 3 4. Okay, PR product 2 3 4. So it will generate output as this. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, so this is the output. Okay. So another calculation that can be performed through logo is division of numbers. The backspace sign is used to divide two numbers. For example, PR 8 divisible by 4. PR 8 divisible by 4. Can you see it? 4 2s are 8, right? So it divides 8 by 4 and generated output as 2. Okay. Turn your pages over page number 87. You can also use quotient function to divide two numbers. For example, PR quotient 25 5. Okay, what we have learned so far in this chapter, we have learned that we can replace the plus sign with sum. we can replace the subtraction or minus sign with the difference. We can replace the asterisk or multiplication sign with product. So in division scenario, we can replace this backspace sign with quotient. It can be written as quotient 8 4. Okay, see, quotient 8 4, the answer is same 2. Okay, now at the end of page number 87, it is mentioned that label command. The label command is used to display the text or number in the drawing area. Here you can also use this command for doing mathematical calculations and displaying the result on the screen. For example, with label 10 plus 10, you can get 20 printed on the screen. Okay. So all of these calculations that we have performed so far, these calculations are displayed over recall list box. This is recall list box or our commander window. You can see commander over here. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास हमारी commander window है. ठीक है, अगर if we want or if we willing to display the output over drawing area, अगर मुझे turtle के पास drawing area में output अपना generate करना है, so what I'm going to use? We have already learned this in previous chapter, that is logo primitives, that if we are willing to print anything on drawing area, this is your drawing area where the turtle exists. Okay, we are going to use label command. Okay, label helps us to print our outputs over here. Okay, so if I write label 10 plus 10, the output is 20 and it is printed over here. Can you see it? Label 10 plus 10, I have written it as label 10 plus 10 over here, and it has been printed in drawing area. So label is used to print the outputs over drawing area. Okay, please move forward to page number 88. Similarly, you can perform other calculations such as label 5 into 5, label 20 minus 10, etc. As we have learned these commands in recall list box or commander window, similarly all of these command can be used as label. ठीक है, हम लेबल को यूज करते हुए भी ये सारी कमांड्स को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, लेबल 5 into 5. Let's check the output. You can see the output. It has been overwritten. Let's clear it. Clear screen. Okay, and now write it again. Label 5 into 5. Can you see this 25 over here? So this is the output of this label 5 into 5. Let's recall it. Okay, first of all, what we have learned that we can perform the calculations, mathematical operations in MSW screen as well. Okay, what we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, what else keywords can be used except these? प्लस की जगह पे हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? वी कैन यूज़ सम अगेंस्ट प्लस. प्लस की जगह पे हम सम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग दैट वी हैव लर्न इज माइनस और सब्ट्रैक्शन की जगह पे वी कैन यूज़ डिफरेंस. ओके, third and second last thing is we have learned the product. Okay, we can use multiplication or asterisk sign as well as the product. Okay, हम product भी use कर सकते हैं इसकी जगह पे. And lastly we have learned that PR we can use division keyword as well. The keyword for division is quotient, and the operator that is being used is backspace. हम backspace भी use backspace slash भी use कर सकते हैं, and we can use quotient as well. Okay, so we have learned 4 different mathematical calculations through MSW logo screen, and I have practically implemented this for all of you. Okay, so you are going to watch this video and I'm going to ask some questions to all of you in class. Okay, and I'm going to let you people solve the exercises because I have already shown you the practical implementation of this. So I hope that all of you must be able to perform the quiz in the class. I'm going to conduct the quiz in the class. Okay, and we are going to solve the exercises together. I'm going to ask all of you regarding this, so you all must watch this video very carefully. You can rewatch it and you can learn this. And if you have the computers or the laptops, you may download this MSW logo screen. Okay, the second link of the Google, you can use that. Okay, and you will be able to perform these practical implementations. So you will learn how to use logo screen as well. Okay, so this is all in this lecture. Okay, and we'll continue this chapter in our next class inshallah as well. So please listen this video and watch this video carefully. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.